Yeah, dang, yeah, I'm seeing, I don't know, something about them.
But then again, like,
This one's really cute.
It's like they want to take it. Trust me, if I'm not buying from here, it's from there. So
Yeah.
I'm not listening. I'm not listening. I don't need that, but
Look at how adorable this keychain is, you guys.
Oh, it's an owl.
Yeah, it's an owl. It's like a little keychain. You can like connect it. You guys, so I'm trying to decide which
So
one I should get. This one's new. How new is this one?
just launched out February 1st.
Wow, so beautiful. What is this one called? This is so cute, you guys. This is the matching wallet. Oh my gosh, the temptation is real. Look it on the inside.
So cute.
Yeah, Jordan loves it too, my daughter. This is so beautiful, right? Wow. I just can't get over this keychain though. I am really loving this keychain. You can hook it onto your Speedies, your whatever. It is so adorable. Look at this bag. How cute is this? It's so adorable. Hey everyone, welcome back to LaVigne. If you're new, welcome. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also, for those of you that are subscribed, make sure you turn on my post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I put out videos. As you can see from the beginning of this video, you guys went shopping with me. I took you guys along to Louis Vuitton. I brought back 2 pieces and I'm going to unbox them for you guys right now. You guys can also follow me on Instagram at d.lavigne. I would love for y'all to follow me because I will have a bunch of giveaways coming up. Anyhow, let's get started. Actually, I want you guys to pause the video really quick and comment below what you think I purchased based on the little shopping clips that I showed you guys before this video. All right, you guys, the guesses are in. Time for the unboxing. So I'm gonna start with the smallest box first. Let's see, let's open it up. You guys, it was so tough. Like they had so many cute things, especially that keychain. It was so adorable, but I'm just not there yet to like, I don't know, I wasn't like in love with it enough to like, it didn't bring me there to that point to where I like wanted to buy it. So if you guessed that, you're wrong. I totally didn't get it, but I did think that it was so adorable. What did you guys think of that keychain? So anyways, I'm opening up the box and in it is right here. Now my SA did give me a slightly bigger box than what I needed for this, but because I wanted like a little more room, I didn't want the actual box came with, it was really like tight. So she suggested just putting it in a slightly bigger box. And here you go, you guys, here's the dust bag, and when you open it, I will go ahead and do some close-ups for you guys, but here it is. It's a mini pochette and I love it so much. I've been wanting this one for a while now, but they just never had it in stock and they finally got one. And so I had to get it. And I'll show you guys the inside. It comes with, you know, the textile card and then the little sticker, the stuff that it always comes with. And inside it's just really big and spacious. So it was between this one or the makeup bag, or cosmetic pouch, and I decided to go with this one because I feel like a lot of the bags that I have are on the small to medium size, and even the smaller LV cosmetic pouch was a little too big for me. So I just felt like I would get a lot more use out of this one. and can actually still hold makeup. Obviously not like my entire makeup, but usually when I go out, I don't bring all of my makeup. I'll usually bring like a lipstick or like a small eyeshadow or like a lip gloss, stuff like that. And then if not, I could also use it as like a little mini wristlet, which is really cute. And you can also attach it to like other bags because of this little clip right here. So I just felt like I could use this a lot more than that cosmetic pouch. The cosmetic pouch was just slightly too big for me, so I decided to go with this one right here. Comment below, you guys, those LV lovers out there, which one is your favorite canvas? Do you like the Monogram or the Damier Bean or the Azure? Let me know, because I have all three, but I love like just the Monogram. I feel like it's just so classic and timeless, although I feel like the other ones are too, but I don't know, it's just something about like the original like Monogram that I just can't get away from. Oh man, your girl's back, y'all. Gotta stretch it out a little bit. Ooh, I worked out and last night, and it was just, ooh, it was a brutal workout, but I got through it. I felt good after, but today I'm so sore, you guys, so sore. Ooh. All right, so the next thing is this baby right here. I wonder if you guys figured it out or know what's inside. Let's open it up. And I've noticed you guys love seeing Louis Vuitton videos. My videos, whenever I share Louis Vuitton, does relatively well compared to the other videos that I post. So totally let me know. I know you guys requested a, oh, this is not coming off, a Louis Vuitton collection, my handbag collection from Louis. So I'll be doing that one. I'll probably film it right after this. We'll see. And let me know what else you guys would like to see other than Louis V. I want to do a variety of things on here, but I definitely know that my LV videos do really, really good. But anyways, here's the box, and it's the magnetic opening. Da, 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 da. So there's the dust bag. I'm gonna get it out. Love it. So here it is. Here's the dust bag. When I open it up, y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? I chose the Louis Vuitton Monsterie backpack. I love it! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this bag. You guys, I have been wanting another backpack. I do have the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini, so let me know. I was thinking about maybe doing like a pros and cons and comparison video with this backpack and the Palm Springs Mini. Let me know if you guys would like to see that. Anyhow, I really wanted another backpack, and I wanted a slightly bigger one because the Mini's a mini, and I wanted kind of like a normal average sized backpack that wasn't too big but also wasn't small, and also didn't look bulky or like manly looking. And so when I saw this, I totally had to go for it and just pull the trigger, because whenever they do get this backpack in, they've had this bag for about 8 or 9 months now. I think they released it last summer, and whenever they get it in, it always sells out really, really fast. Like the Neverfulls and the Speedies, they will always have those in stock. Usually not around like Valentine's Day or Christmas, because those are usually the first to go, but they will always keep selling those and coming out with them. But this backpack, they will not always have. So I was really contemplating between the Speedy and this bag, but ended up going for this bag because I know the Speedy will always be there. I was thinking of going for a Chanel backpack originally, but when I saw this, I just, with the price point and how much, you know, a Chanel backpack would obviously be over $3,000, and just when I saw this, it was just perfect, you guys. Like, you guys saw how it looked on it. I'm so petite, and so it really just, I don't know, it fit me really well, and I just couldn't say no to the bag. Does that mean I will never buy a Chanel backpack? No, I probably still will later on down the line, and probably not even anytime this year. But yeah, I'm so happy with it, you guys. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna go ahead and do some mod shots and close-ups for you guys. But it is a re-release of the original Monstery backpack, and I actually like this style better than the older one. And I love that the bottom is canvas and not vachetta. Love the straps. I think the straps are so cute. I was hoping, you guys, that they didn't have like those big puffy straps that they put on the original, on the Palm Springs backpack. Not the Palm Springs mini, but the regular Palm Springs backpack size. I was like, why did they do that, like, to that bag? It made it look so incredibly masculine, and it was not cute on me whatsoever, which is why I went for the Palm Springs mini. Yeah, I was so happy to see that they did the straps like this, like very, I don't know, very chic. I love it. I love everything about this bag. So when you open the zipper, it, like this, there's like this suede, or I don't even know if this is like suede. It's like that suede or microfiber type material inside. It feels really good, nice and soft. And you could put like cards in here, like some cash, or like a small leather good for like your essentials. In the front, it does have a buckle opening, so if you guys, it is a little bit like, it's not as convenient as like a button or even a zipper really. I feel like you do have to take a little bit of time, not a lot, a little bit of time to open it up, but just like that. I actually like how secure it is though. I like the buckle look. I don't mind the buckle. Then you pull this down, and then when you open it up, it's like a bucket bag, and it's pretty empty. Like, there's no really pockets other than the one big one at the top, which I will do a close-up. And it comes with the little care booklet, and inside it has the number for the bag, Monstery NM MNG. And it also has like that textile card that all the bags come with. Overall, I seriously think that this is the perfect size backpack. It's not too big and it's not too small. You could definitely fit a lot of stuff in here, you guys. I mean, you could use this as like a gym bag, actually. But I really think that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this bag, just being a mom and so busy. Like, this is probably gonna end up being one of my most practical bags that I wear a lot, that won't sit in my closet very much. I'll actually be using this and putting it to use quite a bit, which is a good thing, because I don't know, I tend to sometimes buy things, well, at least in the past, I would tend to buy things and it'll just sit in my closet for so long, I'll never use it, and I just end up like, why did I even buy that? Whereas this one, I feel like I'm definitely going to be putting this to use. I mean, I take my kids to all of their extracurricular activities. They're in like mixed martial arts, jiu-jitsu, swimming, dancing, piano, and just all that stuff, ripping and running. I definitely will be using this. I've been using actually my a Target backpack that I got, and for those of you that watch my vlogs, y'all know what bag I'm talking about. I've been running around with that backpack, so I'm basically just gonna switch it out and wear this one now, and yeah, I'm so in love. And I feel like the price point was not bad at all for the size of this bag and just how much use I'm going to get out of it. It was definitely worth the investment. And yes, I say investment because Louis Vuitton's resale value is so very good that I know that if later down the line I want to part ways with this bag, I will get almost all of my money back, if not more, if they discontinue it and it continues to be, you know, hard to find. I could actually sell it for more. Yeah, you guys, I'm really happy about this purchase. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you guys a backpack type of girl or guy, or do you prefer like the regular handbags? I actually really prefer handbags over backpacks. Until recently, I've just been into backpacks lately, so I'm super excited about it. Anyway, I'm rambling. Let me let y'all go. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Leave me comments down below. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see on this channel, and I'll see you in my next video.